In today's complex data landscape, your organization invests heavily in business intelligence. But a silent, invisible drain is compromising that investment. BI Similarity. It's the hidden duplication of reports, dashboards, and data models, where different departments unknowingly create similar, often conflicting analyses for the same problem. This isn't just confusing. It leads to mistrust in your data, paralyzes decision-making, and directly impacts your bottom line. Imagine a critical decision made on outdated data, while the correct insight is hidden in a duplicate report elsewhere. Duplicate reporting means wasted storage, unnecessary compute resources, and the grave risk of inaccurate decisions, turning your valuable data investments into liabilities. Datalogz empowers you to regain control. Our Control Tower's new BI Similarity tool proactively identifies, quantifies, and helps you manage this challenge across platforms like Power BI and Tableau. Automatically scan and identify reports with high similarity. You don't just see that reports are similar, you understand why. Drill down into the specific data models, calculations, and structural elements that are alike. This granular insight empowers you to consolidate, retire duplicates, or certify one version as your trusted data product. The result? Significant cost efficiency by eliminating redundant resources, improved governance with clear data lineage, and enhanced trust through consistent, reliable reporting. For BI administrators, this means reducing report sprawl, optimizing performance, and ensuring a single source of truth. Proactively address emerging similarities with automated alerts. Become the proactive architect of a streamlined, reliable BI ecosystem. Datalogz provides the essential visibility and control to ensure your BI data products are effectively governed, consistently accurate, and efficiently managed.